India is aiming for the moon again, ready for liftoff and getting its next lunar mission ready. The third mission for Chandrayaan is one of the much anticipated space missions globally. The launch of this mission has been scheduled for July 14, 2023 at 14:35 IST. With the days left for this mission, here is everything you need to know about this ambitious project. But before that, an appeal for all the space enthusiasts to subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon next to it. We regularly post interesting videos related to astronomy here that you surely don't want to miss. Also find us on social media platforms, links to which have been mentioned in the description. Be sure to check out. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video about India's Chandrayaan 3 mission. Chandrayaan 3 is a planned third lunar exploration mission by Indian Space Research Organisation. It will consist of a lander and a rover similar to Chandrayaan 2 but will not have an orbiter. Its propulsion module will behave like a communications relay satellite. The propulsion module will carry the lander and rover configuration until the spacecraft is in a 100-kilometer lunar orbit. Chandrayaan 1, which launched in October 2008, sent a moon orbiter aloft in India's first ever deep space effort. The orbiter carried a 29 kilograms impactor probe that slammed hard intentionally into the lunar surface near the South Pole. The impactor detected water ice just before it crashed, a discovery matched by a NASA instrument aboard the Chandrayaan 1 orbiter called the Moon Mineralogy Mapper. Chandrayaan 2 launched an orbiter, lander and rover towards the moon in July 2019. The orbiter arrived safely and continues to study the moon today with its suite of 8 science instruments. Unfortunately, the lander-rover duo crashed during the touchdown attempt, a failure apparently related to its braking thrusters. The major objectives of the mission will be soft and safe landing on the lunar surface. It will also observe and demonstrate the rover's loitering capacities on the moon. Additionally, it will make scientific observations and experiments on the chemical and natural elements, soil, water, etc. that is available on the lunar surface. The lander for Chandrayaan 3 will have only 4 throttleable engines, unlike Vikram lander on Chandrayaan 2, which had 5 800 newtons engines, with the 5th one being centrally mounted with a fixed thrust. Additionally, the Chandrayaan 3 lander will be equipped with a laser Doppler velocimeter. The impact legs are made stronger compared to Chandrayaan 2 and increased instrumentation redundancy. ISRO is working on improving the structural rigidity and adding multiple contingency systems. The mission's propulsion module is also equipped with an instrument that will characterize Earth from afar, with the goal of informing future searches for potentially life-supporting exoplanets. Lander and rover will be put on South Pole of the Moon by August 2023. The lander and the rover will stay on the Moon for 14 days until sunlight is there. When there is no sunlight, a small solar panel which is on the rover will generate power to charge the battery for the next 14 days until light comes. The temperature there goes down to -40 degrees, and in such environment there is no guarantee that the battery and electronics will survive. But scientists did some tests and they get the feeling that it will survive even in such harsh conditions. The mission is really ambitious and very important for India following Chandrayaan 2, where a snag in the communication led to subsequent failure of soft landing attempt. This failure happened after its successful orbital insertion. Realization within schedule will make ISRO world's 4th space agency to successfully perform soft lunar landing. So let us conclude today's video by wishing the best to ISRO and the scientists that are working hard for this mission's success. If you enjoyed watching, make sure to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. Do not forget to turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any future uploads. If you have any comments, questions or suggestions for future videos, please leave them down in the comment section below. We love hearing from you. Thank you so much for watching. and we will see you in the next video. Till then, keep dreaming big, reach for the stars, and as always, keep looking up.